Top 5 reasons to invest in an easy open-ends production line. Introduction. In today's competitive manufacturing landscape, investing in the right equipment can be a game changer for your business. Among the myriad of options available, the easy open-ends production line stands out as a highly beneficial investment. If you're looking to enhance your production capabilities and streamline your operations, understanding why this particular production line is worth every penny can significantly impact your decision-making process. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the top 5 reasons why investing in an easy open-ends production line can revolutionize your manufacturing process. Top 5 reasons to invest in an easy open-ends production line. 1. Enhance production efficiency. When it comes to manufacturing, efficiency is key. The easy open-ends production line offers several features designed to enhance productivity. High-speed operation. Modern production lines are equipped to handle high-speed production, reducing the time required to produce each batch of easy open-ends. Automated processes. Automation minimizes the need for manual intervention, which reduces human error and speeds up the production cycle. Consistent quality. Automated systems ensure uniformity in product quality, which is crucial for maintaining brand reputation and meeting customer expectations. By investing in an easy open-ends production line, manufacturers can achieve higher throughput and reduce production downtime, leading to increased overall efficiency. 2. Cost savings on labor and maintenance. One of the major advantages of the easy open-ends production line is the significant cost savings it offers. Reduced labor costs. Automation reduces the need for a large workforce. With fewer employees required to oversee the production process, labor costs can be considerably cut. Lower maintenance costs. Modern production lines are designed to be low maintenance, with fewer parts prone to wear and tear. This results in lower maintenance costs over time. Energy efficiency. Many easy open-ends production lines are built with energy-efficient technologies that can lower utility bills. These cost savings can translate into better profit margins and allow businesses to allocate resources to other critical areas. 3. Improved product consistency and quality. Maintaining consistent product quality is vital for customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. The easy open-ends production line helps achieve this through precision engineering. Advanced machinery ensures precise cuts and seals, reducing defect and variability in the final product. Quality control features. Many production lines come equipped with built-in quality control mechanisms that monitor and correct issues in real time. Standardization. Automated systems help standardize the production process, ensuring that every product meets the same high-quality standards. Investing in an easy open-ends production line ensures that your products are consistently high quality, meeting both industry standards and customer expectations. 4. Scalability and flexibility. As your business grows, your production needs may evolve. The easy open-ends production line offers scalability and flexibility. Modular design. Many production lines are designed with modular components, allowing for easy upgrades and expansions as your production needs increase. Versatility. Modern lines can handle various sizes and types of easy open-ends, giving you the flexibility to adapt to changing market demands. Integration capabilities. These production lines can be integrated with other manufacturing systems and technologies, creating a seamless workflow across your production facility. With scalability and flexibility, the easy open-ends production line can grow with your business, ensuring long-term value from your investment. 5. Competitive advantage and market differentiation. Investing in state-of-the-art equipment like the easy open-ends production line can provide a significant competitive edge. Innovation leadership. By adopting advanced technology, you position your company as a leader in innovation within your industry. Enhanced market positioning. High quality, efficient production can enhance your market position, attracting new customers and retaining existing ones. Brand reputation. Consistent, high-quality products contribute to a strong brand reputation, which is essential for long-term success in a competitive market. The easy open ends production line can help differentiate your brand from competitors, making your products more appealing to potential buyers. Conclusion. Investing in an easy open ends production line offers numerous benefits, from enhanced production efficiency and cost savings to improved product quality and market differentiation. By understanding and leveraging these advantages, you can make an informed decision that will benefit your manufacturing operations and business growth in the long term. Whether you're looking to increase production capacity, reduce costs, or improve product consistency, the easy open ends production line presents a valuable investment opportunity. As always, it's essential to consider your specific needs and consult with industry experts to ensure that this investment aligns with your business goals. Question for readers: what is one key benefit you are looking for in an easy open ends production line, and how do you think it will impact your business? Answer in the comments below for a chance to win a special reward. This article has been crafted to provide valuable insights and practical information for those involved in the procurement and utilization of easy open ends production lines. Your feedback and engagement are highly appreciated.